You have probably heard of forex trading, and people are making money in forex. So you want to join forex, want to trade forex, but you don't know anything about forex. You're interested to go into forex. You know little or nothing about forex. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can start that, especially if you don't have money to pay for training. Yes, maybe you don't have money to pay for training, or you think it's not right for you to start trading. So all you will need to trade forex is you're going to need an account. You need an account to trade forex. So that account is what you're going to use to log in. Now by the time you log in, they'll know you. So in order to have the account, check the comment section, check the description of this video. You're going to see this particular link that is here. So you click the link. Once you click the link, it's going to take you into the platform. For you to work with us, I recommend you use this particular one. It will take you into the platform. Now once it takes you into the platform, what you need to do is you put your email and create a password. Once you do that, automatically they'll get you registered. Now this is going to bring you to this particular interface. You put your email and put your password. Now once you do that, you click sign up. Now notice that I already have this email. This my email is already registered here. So because of that, it cannot sign up again with this email. But let's assume it's a fresh email, it will go through. Now once you click sign up, they're going to send you a message in your inbox. So you go to your email, they're going to forward an email to you. Go to your email and verify. The goal of sending them your message to email is for you to do verification. So go to your inbox, go to your email mailbox and verify that it is you. Once you confirm, they'll give you a space to fill your name, your age, your everything. So carefully fill it. Please, while you're filling this, make sure you're filling it based on what you have on your ID card, a valid ID card. It could be your NIN, it could be your driving license, it could be your anyone, but it agree with your birth certificate. Now, why birth certificate or age is important is because forex is not allowed to be traded by anyone below the age of 18. So they will need to confirm your age before they can approve you. Note that part. So once that has been done, you now have access to your account to be ready. So at this time, I am going to use login. Okay, me, I'm not going to sign up. I'm going to use login to log into my account. So I'll do login. So voila, I find myself inside the account. So once you can see now, as you can see, I've logged in. So yes, I've logged in, and the rest of the all of them put together. So you don't need to give yourself much headache. So now you can also, after creating the account, you can also go to your App Store or Play Store and download the app. And this here's the app. As you can see, actually I'm on a trade right now. This is the app. You go through this and create your account. So what I want to do currently, I want to create an account. So you can see how it's been done. So let me assume this to be you're just coming for the first time. You have access to create an account. So right now I want to create an account. So follow this procedure very carefully so they can understand. If you want to trade with MT5, configure it to MT5. I hope you notice where I click that brought me here. So let me take you back. Now notice this particular part here, this top level here. Good, that's where I click, and that took me inside. So I clicked there and it brought out this pencil or this plus. Hope you can see this particular plus. So I click the plus and I want to configure a new account now. So if you want to be trading with Octa, you use this one, Octa Trader. Use that one. If you want to be trading with MT5, you use this one. If you want to trade with MT4, you configure here. Anyone that you choose is possible. Anyone that you choose is definitely possible. So you choose the one that you know is best for you and go with that. So let me for the sake of this very video, I want to make it simpler for the benefit of you who are new and possibly might not have money to go for all this training. So I'll just choose Octa Trader. Why I'll be choosing Octa Trader is because Octa has where you can analyze the trade. It has where you can analyze the trade, see the trade, analyze the trade. It has where you can place the order and execute everything inside Octa. So I'll just use that for simplicity's sake. But if you want to go and log it into MT5, you can do so. So I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm actually breaking it here. So I'll choose Octa Trader. So what I'll do at this point is I'll click this particular config here. So once I click that place, it will take me inside. Now I want to if you want to create a real account, if the account is already on real, okay, it's already on real. If you can see, this place is on real. But if you want to create a demo, so what you need to do is to switch to this one. Notice this one here. Do you notice this place? Good. So notice both of them. You're going to see a different. You see, one is real, one is demo. So at this point, I want to create a demo account. Let's create a demo account. So we'll take the leverage 1:1000 and we tap on demo. Now at this point, you can actually increase your balance. Since it's a demo account, I'll tell you, the bigger the size of your account, the better it is. But you can start with this 5,000. This 5,000 isn't bad. Personally, my first demo account, I think I started with 5,000. It's not bad. So you can start with that. You just go ahead and click this create trading account. But if you want to configure, you can click here and it will still give you access to put any amount that you want. Any amount. Okay, any amount. You can say you want $50,000 dollars account, they will give you access to that. $100,000, $500,000 account, they'll give you access to that. Of course, it's demo, but the goal of this is for you to practice and see how it works. So but I'm good with 5,000, so I'll just let it be in that way and I'll click create trading account. So it is done. It is done. Everything is saved. So this account is fresh. I'm only creating this account for the benefit of you guys that are new. Maybe you know nothing about forex, you're very new, so you can have it to prepare your mind and you can start trading. If you don't have money to pay for courses, to pay for training, personally I have training that I train people, but I realize many people who are interested to learn about forex, some of them don't even know why they should pay for training. So I don't also want that to be a reason that you did not trade. Okay, you can still trade. You can also work with me. Even if you don't want to pay for the training, you can work with me. That's what you can do to get access to my premium signal and use it and train and trade. It's not that you must pay me training money. I'm not just after the training money. I'm after helping you. That's why I'm training people in the Forex Masterclass. I not see if I don't train people. I have a Forex training class that I train people. Now we have a masterclass. I have training from the elementary level to the institutional standard, that everything, but they have been divided into 4 different classes. So you can learn or can have access to that. But that aside, for the benefit of those who don't even have money to pay for any courses, they just want to start trading, they want to practice, this is fine. So that's why I'm making this video. So at this time, everything is clear. So let me walk you through so you can have an eyeball on what is actually happening here. So this is where you have your trading assets, your trading instruments. This is where you have your order. When you place order, where you have your order. Now this is your dashboard. What we are seeing all over here is in this place. Okay, now if you want to top up your balance, want to trade everything, you can actually go all through all those things. So I'll start by clicking trade or trading. Anyone, if any of these two that I click, the same thing is what will come out. So I'll click the trade, where you're seeing this one here on top here. So if you're clicking this one, you're clicking this one, is the same thing that will come out. So I'll click trade. So once you click that place, now we have all the assets, all the instruments here. So here we have gold. This is gold. This is Bitcoin. This is Euro USD. This is Ethereum, and so on and so forth. So anyone that you want to trade, in order for you to trade, all you have to do is you press that particular one that you want to trade. So at this time, I want to trade gold. So I just touch gold. I love gold. I don't know why, but I know I love gold. So once gold, you click gold like that. The next thing you do after clicking the asset is understanding how the market works. You buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. That's the methodology. That's Forex for you. Everything in Forex is just what I've said. You buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. You buy when the price is low, when the price is under, and sell when the price is coming down. Let me put it again so you can have an understanding. So when you see that the price will be going up, so what you need to do is to find a way and buy under. Now when you see that the price will be coming down, what you need to do is to find a way and sell. So you sell on top and buy under. So if this candle is going up, what I need to do is I need to buy from down. Okay, if the candle is coming down, I need to sell. That's just Forex for you. There's nothing else inside of Forex than what I've just explained with that simple pattern. So if you look at this particular place, you're going to see watch hours. That's watch hours. So in this watch hour, what I'll do is I'll click and I'll walk you through different watch hour. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. You can see all the activities happening. This is 15 minutes. That's how 15 minutes is. This is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is 30 minutes on the same trade. And this is for 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. Personally, I like to trade on 4 hours. So if you're using my signal, my setup, you have it basically on 4 hours. So that is 1 hour. Then this is my 4 hours. Okay. Now the different. This is 4 hours. Let me still show you daily. This is a daily time frame. This is a daily time frame. Now the difference between 5 minutes and 4 hours or daily time frame is just the noise. Now in 4 hours, the whole thing that happened within that 4 hours is compressed into one candle. In 5 minutes, the thing that happened in 4 hours is being scattered, divided in 5 minutes. Imagine how many 5 minutes is in 4 hours. Imagine how many 5 minutes is inside 4 hours. That is what is scattering you. So in 5 minutes or a smaller time frame, the only problem we have is the noise. That's just the point. So but for knowledge sake, I'll definitely show you everything step by step, because I want you to have a free understanding. Yes, I'm not like that rigid that is, oh, if you don't pay me, I will not do this. If you don't pay me, no. My goal is to say as much as I can, teach people to have an understanding so that they too can become a profitable forex trader. So this is 5 minutes. 5 minutes wash hour. So at this point of the time, what we actually want is to see that we are able to buy when the price is down and sell when the price is high. Although even if this is a free class, I still have to, it's a free tutorial, I still have to show you the basis so you can have an understanding of what you're doing in forex. Okay, though in the class, in the paid class, we will teach you about trends. We'll teach you about trends, and trend lines will help you. So if the price is actually in an uptrend like this, like what you're saying, you see how the line is. So what you do is you find a way to buy. That's my instruction. I tell my students, find a way to buy. So the easiest thing for you to do is you wait when the market come down to your support. We call this line a support line. When the market come down to your support, you buy. It's simple. Now you buy when the price comes down to your support. So now what we simply do is we wait. I'll tell you one truth: in forex, you make more money in the waiting than in the clicking. You lose more money the more you click. The more you click buy and sell button. Someone said at this point, I don't know, how do I place a trade? Please, it's very simple. Look at this. If you want to buy, this is buy, you just click buy. If you want to sell, this is sell, you click sell. I forget to tell you about lot size. Now there's something we call lot size or volume, where you see volume under there. That volume is how heavy you want your trade to be. You want it to be 10,000, 2,000, 5,000, 1,000, how heavy you want it to be. So we have 0.01, 0.03. Due to your account size, you can choose what to trade. Now, if my account size on this particular demo account is 5,000, so yeah, I can recommend you using 0.5, 0.05. Yes, I can advise you to use that with $5,000 account, 0.05. So with that, if you are losing, you're not going to lose too much. Now a new candle has come. So if this candle come to our support, we will buy. I'm teaching you the basis now, the secret now. Remember that if it is since it is an uptrend, we want to buy. We are not selling. So we are only waiting if this candle actually would drop down. If this candle that is here will drop down to somewhere here, we'll buy. I'm teaching you that. You guys can practice it. If you're serious about learning forex, then you can reach out to me. I'll teach you every other thing in order for you to become a profitable forex trader. So if it comes, we will buy. If it does not come, we'll let it go. We don't chase market. What I teach my students is that in forex, you do not chase market. You don't chase market. You react. Notice now I have put my setup. I've put my setup. One of my setup there is the trend line. I've marked. And I'm waiting that if this candle come, I'll buy. Imagine if I rush and enter the market when the market was I just want you to imagine that I entered the market when it was here. So as it's coming down, I'll be losing. So rather I'll wait. I'm trying to see if it will come down. If it comes somewhere here, then I'll click buy. This is buy button. Okay, I'll click buy, and when I click, you put stop loss, you put take profit, and voila, you are good to go. I'm using 5 minutes because I want you to experience everything I'm talking on real time. Now everything I'm saying is what you also use on whatever watch time you are actually using. So you need to watch out for it in order for you to be on a safe strategy. Do you get it? So that is it. That's how to trade forex. It's not difficult. So once it gets to this, screw to this position, assuming that it comes to this position, so what I'll do is simply I'll put mine, I'll buy. Okay, I think it's coming. I'll buy, then I'll put my stop loss somewhere under here, and I'll put my take profits. My take profit to be somewhere here. Yes, my take profit to be somewhere here. So you see it's coming now. It's coming just like we predicted. So at this point, what I'll do is I'll click buy and confirm So I've placed that trade now. I'll buy. So if it is going, I'll definitely be on profit. This is no joke. Let's go see it for ourselves. You can see I'm on profit. So that is how it is. That's how it is. So let's go back to the trade. Let me put stop loss and take profit. So let's go back. Go see the trade. Well, now there's something. If you notice that I just click it at once, so where will my stop loss be is a question. My stop loss will be under where I see that the market will not, where I believe the market will not come down and break, which is the end of after the previous candle. Below the previous candle, my stop loss will be somewhere here. Okay, now I believe that if it still continue on that trend, it will not come down, it will not break that structure. But if it come down and break that structure, it should close me out. Okay, now where my take profit will be somewhere here. So let's know those points, what they are, one by one. So this is stop loss will be at 42.68. So I'll click this trade. Stop loss is here, 42.68. 42.68. Confirm. Let's go back and see take profit. We have put stop loss in that one. So let's just say take profit and see what take profit will do. So our take profit to be somewhere here. Take profit to be somewhere here. So that's $33. Now this is where I think that if this candle comes up, it will touch. Okay, that is it. Somewhere there, somewhere here is fine. Now imagine if I enter this candle when it's open initially. Imagine I would have been in a loss of about $20 something. You get it? So that's the point. So if I put my stop loss there, my take profit there, that is 42.75, and I now click confirm. So that is it. I've placed the trade. That's on that note. That's how to place trade, whether it's buy or sell. Now if it is, let me show you something so you can understand something. Why the reason I buy is because this market is like this. Now if the market was like this, let me show you something else so you can have a better understanding. If the market was like this, that means it was coming from up down. If you join our training, we're going to teach you what we talk about trend line. If it was like this, then I would have sell. If the market was coming from up down, I would have sell. But since it was coming from down to the up, I buy. So that is it. So for those of you that are new into forex trading, you don't really know much about trading, you're interested in learning about forex trading, but you don't know much, and probably you don't have money to even pay for higher courses, you can use this and practice. Luckily, you might make small profit and you can now be able to pay for training. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you got some value. If you do, please like, share and comment, and whatever you want to learn, you can drop the comment here. Okay, if you need a link to create the account, check below this video. You're going to see the link in the description, and you can also reach out to me to coach you, guide you. If you need signal, you need premium signal, I give signal that, in short, let me just show you, like, let me take you around today's trade so you can see how it is. Today's trade was mind-blowing. I mean, let me switch to another of my account so you can see. But today's trade was mind-blowing. When I say mind-blowing, I meant it. I mean really mind-blowing. You can see I'm actually on a trade. We have hit TP1 and are going. So I want to take a look at today's trade. Just like you can see, we make over 1,300 already. So this is today's trade. As of today's 16 October, as at the time of this recording, you can see there. Now these are trades. It's not like I don't hit stop loss. I hit a sell, but it's low. It's very low. Just like you can see for yourself. You can see. This is today. Only today. This today. only today. Okay, this was yesterday. You can also see yesterday's zone. So that is it. That is how it is. That's how it is. You can see for yourself. So even if we hit SL is low, we make over $1,000 every day. Over $1,000 every day. So friends, hope you got value. If you want to work with me, need signal that I used to make this kind of money, I can help you get it. Even if you're a pro trader, you're already a trader, but you're struggling with signal, you can reach out to me. I'll tell you what to do to have access to our signal, and this you can use to make serious money. Okay, that's been said. I hope you got value. Check me out, reach out to me, and join my community. See you at the top. Bye bye.